Okay, so I was just searching online and I saw Beyonce's new music video, You Won't Break My Soul. Have you seen it? If you haven't, you need to see it. It's important. People are quitting their jobs because of this song. So it's probably the most simple music video I've ever seen, and it's so powerful. Probably the most interesting thing about her video being released right now is that we are in an era, a time right now, just after the pandemic, where people are sick of the crap. They are sick. They've been sick of the way things have been going in our world, in our culture, and are looking for something different. And a huge reason why I decided during the pandemic to begin teaching intuitive art was because artists are sitting around making our work in our studios, maybe not even making it, just thinking about it, not doing anything with it, and are ready to take it to the next level. They want to make an impact in this world, and there was no guidance for this. So I went to art school, and I don't think anyone needs to go to art school. I think having a mentor and being connected to information and learning and having this passion and drive to expand yourself is key. And having someone that can help you do that, a coach or someone that can guide you who's ahead of where you want to be, is key. But art school itself is not needed. I did it. Let me tell you, most of the things I do in my life right now are not from art school. They're from things I learned after art school. So basically, I created the I Am Code, which is an online school for intuitive artists, for creatives who want to take their work to the next level. They want to go deep in themselves and make work that is really, really authentic to them. And when the students, I call them members also, they begin to dive deeply into this work, and they start making changes and they shift their mindset, things that Beyonce's talking about in this song start to happen. They start to release all of this anger. They start to release all this fear. They start to shake up the foundation of their lives and change everything. So be prepared for massive shifts coming right now. Like in this time, it's a whole new world. It's like, okay, we had this big pause, I call it the great pause, the pandemic, during 2020, and we're coming out of that now. So who do you want to be? Who are you becoming? What matters to you? Watch her video. She's always right there where I am. I'm so inspired by Beyonce and everything she's doing, and I really want to encourage you to practice, if you're interested in intuitive art, to watch her video, and then the second time you watch it, have a pen and paper right there next to you, or some art supplies or something, and just listen to the lyrics, listen to the energy of the song, and just free flow designs, doodles, shapes, nothing specific, and just feel and see what comes out of you. Maybe it's words that start coming out of you. Maybe it's new ideas and thoughts, and you start sketching all those down. I would love to see what comes through for you. This is the practice that I teach in the I Am Code school, and you're building up your intuitive, creativity muscle inside. And so if you do this with Beyonce's new song, I feel like it's going to activate something really powerful in you, and I want to know what it is so I can help bring that out of you even more, if it's something that we can connect on. And I can basically, if you book a call with me and you show me what you painted or designed or drew, or what came out of you, maybe it's words or a poem or something, but you can use the link below and book a call with me, and then I can intuitively tune in and tap into your vibe and see what you made and see what came through in that really deep flow state you got into when you watched her video or listened to her song. Maybe just listen to the song, you don't even watch the video, that's fine too. But I can tap into that energy and see if there's a roadmap that I can lay out for you to build this next chapter of your life. Like, what do you want that to be? If you have no idea, do this exercise and do a little quick intuitive painting, drawing, simple doodle on the back of a napkin, and take a picture of it, and you can email it to me at team, teamimcode@gmail.com. And then we can start a conversation there. So I wanted to also let you know that right now I'm building my subscribers because I feel just this deep calling that people need to be able to access this information that I want to teach, that I'm teaching. And the only way we're going to be able to get the message out there is if I can get more subscribers. So I need your help. If you don't mind taking a moment to like and subscribe this video right now, share this video with your friends or anyone you feel like would be interested in intuitive art or building a business or legacy with their intuitive art. Every 1,000 subscribers mark that I hit, so it's 2,000, it's going to be 1,000, it'll be 2,000, it'll be 3,000. Every time I hit 1,000, I will choose one of the subscribers and they will be the winner of one custom original intuitive oil painting that I will make live with that person. So if that feels like something you're interested in, please participate, like and subscribe, and share this video. And also just share what you make and enjoy, have fun making intuitive art to Beyonce's new song. It's so good. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.